Wix website editor. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Wix website editor to create amazing websites. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. You're going to need to sign in onto Wix, and once you've signed in, this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard, and over here you're going to have all of your websites that you've created. But if you still haven't created, it's going to be a little bit different. Of course, for me, I've already created an account, created a website on it. That's why it looks something like this. Now let me just go ahead and click on create a new site, and that is the home page that you are going to be on when you want to create a website. This is the part where you're going to be seeing. So let's just go ahead and do that. So over here you have some examples. You can go ahead and choose whichever type of website you want to create, whether it's an online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, or technology, or you can search for your own business over here if these aren't the ones that you want, or you can go ahead and skip entirely, because later on you can go ahead and search for a template that is most suitable for your need, and you can go ahead and continue to work on that. So first, I'm just simply going to go ahead and skip this question, and then over here they're going to ask you, what do you want to add to your website? So what do you want to add? So you have chat features, you have online store features, you have booking, events, you have others over here that you can add. It all depends on you. So choose whichever one you want and just simply click on next, or just simply click on skip, and you can add more of these later. So we'll just skip this for now, and we're going to go ahead and move on. Next, they're basically going to ask you, what do you want to do and how do you want to create a website? So over here you have two options. Either you can create a website with the Wix ADI, or you can create a website with the editor tool. Now, if you don't know what ADI is, it's basically the artificial intelligence for Wix over here. And if you choose this option, they'll just simply ask you a bunch of questions, simple questions like, what do you do? What do you need a website? What is going to be your main purpose for the website? Questions like that, so that they can narrow down what type of website you want to create. And then the Wix's artificial intelligence will create a website, a pretty standard looking website for you. But I wouldn't recommend that, because that doesn't have a lot of functionality like customization options on it. But if you just simply want to get a website and to get started with, that is your option to go to. But if you want to go a little bit fancy and you want to have like a little bit you want to create something for yourself from your scratch, then you can use the editor. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and use the editor and click on edit a template. I will show you how you can use the ADI later, but for now we're just simply going to click on edit a template and continue. And over here you will have all these different templates in front of you. So you can choose whichever template you want. It all depends on you, what type of website do you want to create, what is your business, and all of that. It all depends on you. So let's go ahead and see over here. So these are all the templates. So let's go ahead and see what type of categories we have. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different categories to choose from, right? A lot of categories. So in business and services, we have a bunch of different categories to choose from. Let's just assume that you're trying to create a classified ads type of website, or you want a website where you sell your clothes. So like a retail store, right? So we'll just simply come over here onto business and services, and over here we want to have like a fashion style, right? Click on fashion and style, then all of these websites are going to be available to you. You can go ahead and start editing them out. So they're going to have clothes, they're going to have accessories and all of that. So choose whichever website that you think is good, that you think is going to be amazing for you. Like this one over here, I feel like this website is going to be good. So let's go ahead and view this website. And whenever you hover your mouse over a website, you have two options, edit and view. So let's go ahead and click on view to view the website and see if it's good or not. If we like it, then we can move on and start editing it. So over here, this is the website, and this is how it looks like. Pretty simple website, nothing too fancy about it, and it's pretty nice and really good. So let's keep looking until we find another one. Over here we have a bunch of more. This website is for caps. Let's go ahead and view that. So this is how it looks like. So we have all of our products over here. Nothing too complicated. Everything is over here, doesn't waste any time, no ads or anything like that. I think that, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and go over to page number 3. Okay, over here I feel like this website is also pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, this is a blog type of website. It isn't a clothing type of website. All right, clothing store over here. This is the one we're looking for. Let's see over here. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. This is the one we were looking for. So yeah, let's go ahead and choose this website, and we'll just simply click on edit to edit the website. Over here at the top corner, just simply click on edit this site, and it's gonna load up the editor. So let the editor load up, and then we can move on to edit the entire website. Boom, here we go. The website has loaded up, and this is how the editor looks like. So over here on the left side, you have your tools, you have your add button, you have menu and pages, site design, ad apps, media, start blogging, my store, and ascend business tools. And then you can go ahead and click over here anywhere and you can start editing it out. So as you can see, whenever I hover my mouse over a section or a text or a tool, it's highlighted that section, which means that I can go ahead and start editing it. So for example, if I were to, change this images, I think these images are fine. They look really nice and really cool. But if you wanted to go ahead and change these images, then you would have to just simply click on the image and just simply click on change image and go ahead and pick an image that you think is more suitable. You can upload your own images over here of your own products, or you can just simply choose images from the media of Wix over here, as you can see. But I think this is pretty nice. This looks good. I'll just leave it at that. Then at the bottom, you have your store over here. You have your products. Now over here are going to be your main option. So over here, if you wanted to change the products, just simply click over here and click on manage products. It's going to open up this tab over here where you can manage your products. You can change their names. You can add more products. You can delete the products that you want. It all depends on you. So for example, this is a product, right? We want to edit this product. Let's go ahead and change the name of this product. Over here, these are the images and this is the product name. We'll go ahead and change it to a sweatshirt. And over here, this is going to be the description of your product. You can go ahead and edit this out as well. And then down below, you have your additional information such as your product info, the size, you have your return policy, you have your shipping information over here. You can add other info sections if you want. And then you have your pricings over here. You can put it on sale if you want. And you can have like a discount of, let's say, 15%. And boom, over here you go. The profit is going to be this much over here. Then you have your custom text as well. If you want to add like more fields to it, you can go ahead and add that. And then you have your sizes over here, such as XL, small, medium, large, XL or XS, it all depends on you. And once you've done that, you can add more inventory information over here, such as in stock, SKU number, shipping weight, and all that. And once that's done, just simply click on save and your product will be saved. So over here, as you can see, now the product has changed its name from I'm a product to sweatshirt. Same you can do with other products as well. And if you wanted to add your own product, what you can do is just simply click on this button right here, add product or new product. Click it over here and you can choose whether it's a digital file or a physical form. So we'll go with physical because we're selling t-shirts and stuff like that. Then you can add images or video of the product or both. And then you can add the basic information such as the name, the description, as I said before, the pricing and custom field and tags and all of that. So, and then just simply click on save and you are good to go. And then what you can do is just you can close this up and you are good to go. Next, what if you wanted to change the background of it? As I said before, just simply click on an empty space over here and you will have change strip background. Just click over here and choose the color that you want to have, and then your color will be changed to that particular color, as I said before. It's pretty simple, it's really easy. And now, as I said before, what if you wanted to have like a more options over here, like maybe like a news section? So what we can do is just simply click over here, click on plus icon, and over here we have strip, text, image, button, interactive, video, and music box. Actually, we can add like a video over here. So next what we can do is we'll just simply drag and drop the video over here, whatever we want. It all depends on us. Let's say a mixed video or your channel video or your own video over here. It all depends on you. So let's just drag and drop it over here anywhere we want. It all depends on you. So let's go ahead and put it right over here is going to be the video player, as you can see over here, or you can put it anywhere else. You can scroll down and move it at the bottom as well. So maybe like over here, if we add, let's say a strip over here, let's say a white strip, then over here, what we can do is we can drag our video over here onto this strip. As I said before, we'll just center align it over here. Boom, there we go. Next, we can, increase the size so that people can easily see it like this. There we go, something like that. Then you can just simply have to click on the video over here and you can change video, click over here. And then you can simply add in the video link over here from YouTube if you already have one, or Vimeo, or, Facebook, or Dailymotion, or Twitch. It all depends on you. So just simply go over here, go to YouTube. So over here, just simply search for, let's say, a clothing promo. a clothing promo video, and then just choose whichever video that you feel most comfortable with and you can move on. So let's just say that this video over here, then we'll just simply copy the link of this video, go to the editor and paste that link over here, and now the video will be changed. So pretty simple, right? Really nice, really easy. And then that's pretty much it. You can edit anything you want and change everything you need, and then just simply click on publish to publish your website. And then over here you will have a free website domain, or you want to connect your own customized domain, which I would recommend. Then you will have to buy the pricing plan of it as well. So pretty much it. You can click over here and click on save and continue, buy a pricing plan, and then you can go ahead and buy a domain. It's going to cost you at around $25 minimum. Maximum it can cost you, it depends on you. If you want more features and stuff like that and security and all that, then it's going to cost you more, but minimum it's going to cost you $25 if you want to have a domain. So that's pretty much it. That's all you needed to know how to use the Wix editor to create a website. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.